Right here.
Okay. Fastest way there is. The cat's in the house, right?
I don't know. I saw her earlier. Yeah, I think so. I got these shoes on right now. I got my pink tights. And we got Zella in the back. You looking at the camera? Like, is that a camera for other people to see me? Or is that for just them to see me? Or is that for everyone in the world to see me? How do I get this? Okay. Bye-bye. We're picking up Dad.
He has his
Oh, there he is.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're a lifesaver. I'm so hot out there. I'm going to Market Common. Let's go.
Here.
I need to get over. This
Or-
car is gonna probably not. Now I'm in their way. They're gonna
And 3, 2, 1, bye. When all the other kids aren't there yet, we like just stretch, and like a lot of people just
In
like do
ballet.
splits. Yeah. I don't know why they just do splits. I was talking to that other girl, and she said that while she was doing a split, I was like, "How do you do that?" And she was like, "I don't know. I've been doing it since I was 3." I was like, "Okay."
I think it's just practice. Let's see your cute little bag that you brought. I like it. It's smaller than the other bag. Your Aurora bag. It's cute. And you have a little keychain on it. Packed and ready.
What does it say?
Wild Fox, packed and ready. It's a clothing brand.
And then it says PS. What does that mean?
Well, I'm not sure. It's usually post. Let me see this. Aurora, she's telling you bye. Say bye. She was just saying bye. Huh. What was this called?
Well, Fallen Myrtle.
That's what you got, Fallen Myrtle, and I got Welcome to the South. And it's barbecue and ranch. And yours is Fallen Myrtle. Yours is so good. He got my same dressing.
Yeah. Barbecue and ranch.
And then we got the spin dress. Uh-oh. So what are you eating? Huh?
Thank you, Jesus, for the spirit that's in our Shabbat. Everything you give us, everything you do for us. Amen.
I have my camera in my hand. It's a cute little restaurant. We come here all the time. Zarden. Wow, no shoes. Walking in the street. We found a candle and it smells so good. I'll have to show it later. You want to go in Francesca's? We're going to the beach. But you gotta stay here. I gotta make sure that she doesn't try to come near the cars. Here's her bottle. There's little bunnies, they're always over here. I don't want to scare it. I don't know if you can see. And that's Adelia's castle. There's the gang. The gang's all here. The lady here, don't chase the bunny, please. Come over on this side, I don't want to scare it. It's gonna take off in the woods.
We want to scare it towards the people where they can have it in their background.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're not trying to bother you, friend. This is Adelia's castle. That's a bunny. She thinks everything's a dog.
No, it is not.
The lady,
It's Hop Hop. It's Hop Hop.
I don't think they talk.
I don't. I said it says ribbit.
No, it hops. It's your hop, hop, hop. Because it says hop, hop, hop.
The lady that we got our pass from, we just got an extra one for Cole's car.
Bag.
She is from Pittsburgh, and she's like, how'd you know? And I was like, I could hear it in your voice, girl. And I was like,
College.
I was like, I'm one of you. That's how I knew. What'd you think? I know my people. And this little path leads to the beach. Only the locals know it. I made that up. Probably everyone knows it, but maybe not.
What?
This path,
What?
that it leads to the beach.
Yeah.
It's really pretty.
Huh?
It's a really pretty path with all the trees. Right, say?
But there's also
She's
a lot of
experiencing it for the first time. Last year, you weren't so aware. Now that you're one,
You're aware.
you're more aware. You have to trek through the sand, and it makes you feel like you're gonna get a workout, but it's pretty. Oh, she was doing that this morning a lot.
She gave me one in the car.
Oh.
I said,
The heart. Shining heart.
Another star.
And another star.
Probably birthday stuff.
Another star. It's a trail.
A lot of people are taking pictures right now. Putting our shoes down. Walking out to the beach. So pretty. There's a husky down there. Husky dog. Huh? Uh-oh, we're already finding something. Part of a horseshoe crab. find the shark teeth, usually. We're trying to get her to walk more. She does a few steps, see, and then she'll want to sit down. 14 months about to be. Stand up! Nope. Look at this.
She said when you're at the beach, you can get a crab.
Come here. Go, Zayla. Go, Zayla. Oh, it's downhill. What is the baby doing? She said somebody better pick me up. No. Look at this thing. Go put on your shoes. What are you drawing, Aurora?
Huh?
What are you drawing?
I'm making a sea turtle. And I'm gonna put all the seashells on its back where it looks like a, I don't know, like, yeah, pat it down.
It's about 7 o'clock in the evening. And we just wanted to come to the beach for a little bit, huh? Are you helping Sissy make a turtle? Look at her.
Wait, I'll be right back.
These are sand fleas. Ew. There's another one right there. There's another sand flea right there.
Get him out of here.
They don't even have balls.
Get him out.
They don't even have balls.
Dad?
Can we? We're looking for the shark's teeth, huh, Say? She had broccoli and pear, and some of it's right there, still on her head. Where we came here, huh? She's like, I'd rather just bear crawl the whole way down. got a little crab.
I don't even see it on the camera.
We see it now.
There goes it just now.
Dropped. And there. I feel bad. Is it dead?
Yeah, you see all the bones?
I know, but you never know. Flip it over.
Oh! That thing's gonna pinch me in a minute. It's just plain dead.
No, I think it is alive, Cole.
No, it's not, honey. It's just shifting. It wouldn't be full of sand. None of that.
Oh, it smells really bad. Let's flip it over. Oh!
That's the biggest one we've ever seen, though.
Yeah. Well, I've seen it at Ripley's, but not in real life. Yeah, but not in real life. Like on, you know, the ocean. Yeah. Did you put the wrong one on and give yourself a shower in the ice cold water?
Yep.
What are you doing to the baby?
Yeah, I'm trying to get some of that salt off of her little skin.
Kiss that for my,
Mom.
yeah?
I think I do need to have a shower actually. Hey! Oh!
It's not working.
You need to press the button, sweetie.
I did.
Pause. Watch out.
Press it. I told you it was broken. Aurora.
This one works better over here.
Every time I get my leg up, it turns off. Okay. Aurora usually plays at that park. There's a big alligator, probably 12 feet long.
I found it.
They're about to cross the road. Oh my goodness. Can you see it? It's in the grass. See, it's in the grass. We're home now, and Aurora wanted spaghetti, so I'm making it in the Instapot, and I asked Chat GPT how to make it in the Instapot, and it gave me step-by-step instructions. So yeah, that's really nice. And then today at the store, I went to Francesca's while Aurora was in ballet, and I got her a size small because it's like a nice thick material and it's really soft. And I got me a large, but it looks like a medium. I mean, in what world is this a large? It doesn't make sense to me. But anyways, that will fit me. And I am a pretty small girl, so for that to be a large is kind of ridiculous. But the material is really nice. And it was $19.99, but they were buy one, get one free. So they're basically $10 each. And then when we came home, this is Selah's bathing suit, and it was on sale for $51. online, so I ordered it. It's a 3T. It will fit her next year, but it's so cute. And the back has like a little button enclosure. Oh, and then while we were out there at the shops, I found this candle, and it smells so good. It smells like soap, like the cleanest, best soap ever. Not like a gross soap, just like a clean scent. And I don't know, it's incredible. Oh my gosh, it has like a little thing of matches. And this candle was not cheap. It was $39. So I really did like it that much to get it. And I am a candle girl, so if I like it, then I'm gonna get it. How adorable is that? It's so pretty. It's like a little cowboy on the horse. And then Cole really liked it too. He was like, that smells so good. So I got that. I'm gonna go light that in my room. So it's smelling good when we go in there. I'm one of those people that like my room to be very like clean and fresh, especially at night. That's the little lamp that it's a chandelier. He installed it and I am obsessed with it. It blows the wind really well. You would think that it wouldn't because the blades are really small, but it does a really good job. It's so pretty. We put in like the antique lighting, so it's like more of an orange tint. And then there's my kitty. She just turned 15 on the 13th, huh, Coco? And then I'm gonna put the candle over here. I kind of like the matches like out. It's kind of cute. So I don't know if I should trim the wick or not. I think Cole's talking me down. Probably should have trimmed the wick just a bit, but it'll be alright. But how cute. Alright, I better go check on the pasta. You coming?
Mom.
And then the best big sister in the world award goes to Aurora.
There came the big spider.
9:30.
We're reading nursery rhymes. You like that? Yeah. Okay.
I put this blanket over her like railing because in the morning it makes it a little bit darker in here for her. We have binkies and her little lamb. That I think was Aurora's. Yeah, it was. This was definitely Aurora's. Restoration Hardware. That's where I got that one. And then this smells like lavender and you can put it in the microwave. It's just a little octopus. She likes to play with her toys in the morning. So I just kind of set them around. She sees the baba and she wants it. Dad's changing and then he's gonna put her to bed.
When Dada comes back, okay? Mom, can you get the first words book at the very bottom?
Or if I were a bunny, she can feel that one.
We're gonna read that one a couple nights, okay. Well,
She likes that one.
if I were a bunny,
I kind of need to organize
Love
it.
me. Feel it. Right here. Wait, no, feel it.
And this, we got her the other
My
day.
nose would be scratchy.
It's for her Bible. So she has a little Bible, Sayla does, but I want to get her a full-size one that she can have when she's older. So I have that right
My
there.
ears would be flat.
This
Feel them. Feel the ears.
on top.
Feel the ears. You gonna feel the ears?
Wow, is that soft?
Oh, my paws would be rough.
I just walked out of my room for a minute and that candle has already like filled the room. It smells so good. I am about to wash my face soon, but how pretty are these roses? They're from Aurora's little birthday photo shoot thing. We just had some left over, so I made a bunch of arrangements. I put this one in the bathroom. This plant I always have here and I can't remember the name of it. It's like in a clear glass and I just refill. Aurora has that same plant on her desk in her room. But yeah, this candle smells so good. I am obsessed with it. So cute. Coco, what you doing? So it looks really good. Let's see what it tastes like.
So you can break up the rest of the meat.
Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Please nourish our body. Amen. Amen. I made that song. Yeah, I know she's in bed. But I made up that little song for Sayla to do her little prayers, and I like it. Thank you very much. You can't even see this thing. How is it?
Not bad.
Aurora, what do you give it? You wanted this really bad, right? Oh, I love my Dr. Peppy.
Some of the noodles got like stuck. That's why I gave myself this one. I was like, that might be worth it. Actually, they're good. It's just that they're all stuck together when they cook.
We didn't saute the meat long enough. We were kind of rushing through the steps, so it's not just.
Do frozen. If it wasn't frozen, it would have hurt.
Still good though, right? You
Yeah.
can't tell. So
Yeah, it's good.
Chat
It was just
GPT.
harder to
It's
get the
for
meat
me.
broken up.
I'm going on and on about this candle, but did you smell it in our room? Did you go to our room yet?
Mm-mm.
It smells so good. It
I
was
can smell it from
$40.
in the-
It was
That's expensive
expensive.
candle,
It
I noticed
was,
that one.
yeah. And honestly, like to me, it's worth it. I mean, that was expensive, and this better be a clean brand. But it came with like a little,
expensive one.
yeah, but for the size.
Oh yeah, true. But that one would have been.
And it has like a little cowboy on it.
We got it from Rambler Market Common.
Let me see.
Rambler. Why
Well,
is
I
this
was
thing
at
having a
Ballet.
hard time focusing?
I told you. I
You
don't
can
wanna do it.
twist them.
Twist this. Okay, I got it. But they gave us like a little pack of matches to go with it. Yeah, and it has like a little cowboy on it on his horse like this. Like it's their brand. I don't know. It's just sandalwood, amber resin, iris, and leather. But it smells like soap. And it smells so good. I'm obsessed. I'm about to go on their website and see if they have any of those reedy things to go in the bathroom.
Is that section in there smelled good too?
It just smell that. It smells clean.
It smells like
just clean.
manly to me though. It smells like
It
that soap you
smells-
bought me.
Yeah, I don't know, but I'm obsessed.
like
I
it.
lit it in our room and it's filled the room fast. And I'm happy
That's
about
probably a
that.
good candle then.
I was in the
Yeah.
hallway and I can smell it.
Yeah. Nice.
I was like, what?
Do you like the smell, Aurora? It's good, right?
What?
So, which one do you want? Do you want to split this tart? He's already had
That's
one.
the one I wanted.
You already had one.
I want this one.
The cannoli? Okay, go ahead and try it.
I'm just gonna move this one out.
Holy
Yeah, I had a
cannoli.
midnight snack.
You know
It was
what?
delicious.
We wonder where everything goes. What do you give that? We have our pantry doors wide open.
10.
Did you get on there and order it?
No.
Pull it out.
No, we gotta look.
I'm making him order me hand soap,
You want it in
lotion,
that frame, in that color, I mean, frame.
and the color,
What'd I say?
the scent.
Scent, color, frame,
It's okay.
whatever.
It's past his bedtime.
It is. I'm tired.
I'm gonna try this one.
Mm.
Oh my
Nah,
gosh,
You gotta
incredible!
try it.
You want to try this one? I think this has like a chocolate or hazelnut
Oh.
crust.
These are the best sellers. That flavor is number one.
Oh, I smelled the other ones and they were good, but it did not compare to
It's a
the
diffuser. The right thing.
Santalum. I don't know if I'm pronouncing
You
that
can
right.
get the 28 ounce
It's falling
mammoth.
apart.
For how much?
I don't know. Let's get it and find out. Oh, it's not even that much money.
Order it. Order
Alright.
it. We're going to the beach house with his
Well, you're a little.
parents and sister and all
Mom,
the
you
kids
gotta try
and
this.
I already tried it.
You
Doll, hang
You
on.
can have it.
And I'm gonna take that candle with because I always do that when we go on vacation, don't I? If like
Oh,
we're not
yeah.
flying. And even
Make it
when we
smell
were
good
in
in there.
yeah, I'm just a candle girl. And even when we were in Hawaii, I bought a candle and would light it. Do you remember that in the condo?
Mm.
I don't remember.
Oh, well, I
How big
did.
did I say this was?
I don't know.
Shot.
It's 8.5 ounces.
So the other one's 28 ounces, so it's not that much bigger. Well, it's 3 times the size of that. A little over.
How
What
much?
do you think?
Okay,
Three
so
times
that
the
was
size of it.
$39 for that candle. So
So 3 times the size. So you're gonna get a discount, obviously, but 3 times the size of that one.
$72.
Wait. 100.
If you only got 2 of these, that would be $80. You're getting over 3 of them.
But you said it. I got a discount.
Yeah. Well,
How much is it?
So let's pretend you're getting 3. That would be 40, 80, 120. So you're not getting much of a discount. $95.
95.
95. I don't know why I said 95. But yeah, 95. $95. $94. 94.
I have to have it. I mean, I love it. I'm obsessed. It's such a like cozy. I don't
Yeah, we're
understand.
gonna see how
It's
it
an.
burns
I will
first.
say it burns beautifully. I've already like.
We're gonna have to find out.
I was in Sayla's room for 5 minutes. I came back into our room. It filled the entire room.
Oh, there's the diffuser. I kind of want this for my store.
Get it.
Get it?
I need to have them in the bathrooms, especially like where Nova is, this little small bathroom here.
We'll just do 2 diffusers and the hand wash cream.
You want the diffuser in your bathroom at the store. It will smell so good when the people walk in there.
Yeah,
They'll be
I'm
like,
saying let me
mm.
get 1 for there.
It makes you feel some type of way. I'm serious. I'm obsessed. I should be the seller of this candle.
That's enough, man.
Aurora's just going to town on
There
it.
ain't nothing left. Aurora, that's for mom.
It's okay.
Okay.
All right, everyone. Good night. We're going to buy everything this company has. Thank you. Actually, we're not going to buy everything they have. I'm just getting this scent. I I can't pronounce
You need to
it.
just smell the other ones. They might like
Santalum.
the- I
Santalum.
like it.
I need to learn this word.
What does
Huh?
the word even mean?
Look it up because it means cowboy, baby. That's what it means. It has a cowboy on it. I don't know. I was just so like excited when I opened it up. It had like the little matches here and the little cowboy. It looked very Western. It smelled good. It's a nice evening scent. It just is clean. All right, I'm
Wait,
done.
Mom. Taste that tart thing.
I did.
And then tell the camera what you think of it.
I said it's good.
Smells like sandalwood.
Cannoli.
Santalum, whatever, is a. I'm skipping the word because I don't know. It's of woody flowering plants in the Santanale family, whatever. Best known, most commercially valuable of which is the Indian sandalwood tree.
I want to see what it looks like. Bring it close. Okay. Very interesting.
Not what I thought it was.
I'm very excited. I haven't been excited about a candle in a long, long, long time.
You think it beats the pear from Anthropology?
The cream and pear or whatever. No, it's like it doesn't beat it. Like that's a different vibe, you know what I mean?
Different.
This is like I don't know how to describe this vibe. It's just,
Wonderful.
it's wonderful. It's a little
How could
like,
you get any better?
yeah, exactly. I don't know. It's you can light it at night. It's a nice evening scent. I don't know. It just puts you in the mood for like candles and like it just. All right, over and out. Buy this candle. Spend every last dime you have on it because it's worth it.
Bye.
Yeah. Love you and good night.